Hi everyone! I'm just at home. Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I showed to you my hanging alugbate or my hanging spinach. This time, I'll be showing you a few of my plants which are also hanging plants. So, let's see them. These are the hanging spinach which you have seen in my previous video. So, they're growing healthy and surrounded also with the different plants around. The reason I hung them because we only have limited space. So all plants that I have are all in pots. These are my plants. They are all in pots. Okay, so I utilize our space. This is my little terrace garden. And there you go. So these are my hanging plants. The ornamental hanging plants. So they are really hung because of the limited space. Okay, so there are pots. Yes, many pots. Most of my plants are vegetables and ornamental plants. Dried leaves are there, so I still need to remove them. So these are my plants. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.